afternoon. I am Anita from ECE department. In our department, we have 3 vertical: VNSI, Embedded and Communication. I am belongs to Embedded vertical. In our vertical, we went to field visit to Kasha Medical Technologies. In the medical technologies, we have learned about various medical appliances like anesthesia, ECG, stethoscope, etc. Let's see one by one.
Good morning everyone. I'm Pradeepa from 3rd year ECE. We have went a field visit for Coimbatore at Present Technology. Here we learned about a lot of machines with a hands-on training. Among them one was a mechanism of ventilator. This ventilator machine acts as a lungs of a human being, temporary lungs of a human being. This machine helps for a patient breathe when they cannot do by their own. And it works under the principle of by delivering the air and supplement oxygen to the lungs and the remaining are the carbon dioxide. The principles are providing oxygen 21% to the humans and the nitrogen 78% and also a mixture of gas 1% into the lungs and removes the carbon dioxide and it helps to expel the waste of CO2 from the body and regulates the breathing takes over a process of inhalation and exhalation used for during surgery to maintain the breathing and oxidation of during anesthesia, and it is used for most families during the COVID-19 by supporting the patient with their respiratory condition. Thank you.
To talk about the ECG machine, it plays a vital role in modern care. The term ECG stands for electrocardiogram. It is a medical device used to record the electrical activities of the heart. Every time our heart beats, it produces a tiny electrical signals. These signals can be captured from the skin using electrodes, and that's why what the ECG machine does. Some important components of ECG machines are: first, electrode are attached to the chest, arms and leg to pick up the heart signals. These signals are very big, so the machine uses an amplifier to make it stronger. Then, second, the filters. It removes any unwanted noise like muscle activities or surroundings electrical interference. The produced signals are displayed on a screen or printed on a special paper as a waveform. The most common ECG setup is like 8 electrodes and 12 lead ECG, which gives 12 different waves of the heart activities. This helps doctor to detect problems like irregular heartbeats, heart attack or poor blood pressure. There are different types of ECG machines are a resting ECG, done while the patient is lying still. Next, the second is the stress ECG, takes the patient exercise on a treadmill. Portable monitors like heart rate monitors, which recorded the heart activities over 24 to 48 hours. The importance of the ECG machines cannot be overstated. It is a quick, painless and non-invasive way. It provides life-saving information. Doctors rely on it to make early diagnosis and monitor patients with heart diseases. In short, the ECG machine is a brilliant example of technology serving humanity. It translates the invisible electrical activities of our heart into a clear, readable form, helping us living longer and healthier lives. And finally, I thank our Parameshwari ma'am to authorize this trip. It is very useful for us. Thanks you.
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about a life-saving device that beautifully blends biomedical science with electronics and embedded system, the mechanical ventilator. A ventilator is an electromechanical system designed to support or replace spontaneous breathing by delivering controlled airflow to patients' lungs. It is a real-time embedded system that integrates sensors, accumulators, microcontrollers, and control algorithms. The core components include air and oxygen source, mixing valves, blowers, humidifiers, and patient circuit, all coordinated by a central processing unit. Sensors play a vital role, such as pressure sensor, monitor airway pressure, flow sensor measure inhale and exhale volumes, and oxygen sensor ensures the correct concentration of breathable gas. These signals are processed using analog to digital converter and signal conditioning circuit, and the control logic, often based on PID algorithm, regulates the breathing cycle. Ventilators operates in various modes like volume controlled, pressure controlled, and assist controlled depending on the patient condition. Communication interface such as UART, CAN, and Ethernet allows integration with hospital system and remote monitoring. Power reliability is ensured through medical grade supplies and battery backups. As electronics and communication engineer, our role is crucial in designing, testing, and maintaining these systems with precision and safety. Understanding ventilators not only depends on our grasp of embedded system and sensor integration, but also connects technical expertise to real world impact, saving lives through engineering. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dinesh Kumar. I'm from Department of ECE third year. Recently, I got a chance to visit Prasan Medical Solutions Private Limited Coimbatore, where we got to know about TENS and electronic sound therapy machine. So TENS machine basically works with by sending the minimal electrical signal to the body. By using this, we can reduce the pain, inflammation in our muscles. So it is very useful for sports persons and elderly people. And on the other hand, we also got a chance to know about ultrasonic sound therapy, which in which we are going to pass the high frequency sound waves in our muscle, and this is really useful for curing the muscle strains, inflammation, and so on. So this both can be combined in the single kit and manufactured. So it is really compact, and it will be used by physiotherapists so that the muscle pain and any other issues can be cured. Especially this is created for sports persons and elderly people, as they are suffering from more pain and muscle related issues, joint issues, etc. So in that situation, this kit will be very useful for getting rid of this pain or any issues in their joint or muscles, etc. The particular patient have to take this TENS and ultrasonic therapy treatment for at least 5 to 6 months to get relief from the pain. And overall, we got to know about these kits. This will be very useful, and this kit also really cost effective because that both TENS and ultrasonic sound therapy kit will be combined in a single kit. So it is very useful for really reducing the pain. By this field trips, we get to know about the new technologies and what are the new products we are having in many sectors. For example, we gone to Fresh Medical Solutions Private Limited, so we got to know about medical equipments, as you mentioned earlier, like TENS and ultrasonic sound therapy. And so that these tips will lead to more technical knowledge about what are the technologies existing we have, and how they manufacturing, and what are the components present in that particular product. So that this will be very useful for us as electronic engineers. Overall, this trip has given us a good exposure in the simple new medical kits, and I would like to thank our course handling faculty and Dean ma'am for arranging this wonderful trip. Thank you.